a fire. Spraying like your name on a flyer. They wanna tame.
Bang. Good morning, people. What going? Blessed upon the Wednesday here. It is Trendy Wednesday. Something new for no.
No man, a heavy get and you tidal. Patience are the key for survival. Babylon, anything me say is final. 32 clipping at the 45 gal. I'ma know why the pussy them hate me. I'ma fuck them sister and them wife and them side girl. No make no boy build me spliff, that is vital. Suck your mother with your crab upon me spliff vital. Man feel like a champ right now. Smiling to the bank right now, yeah.
Not much now going in the day, yeah, but by later, maybe all of that change. Still, first thing we're gonna look at a voice note that has been going around saying Alkaline's reaction as to why, or Alkaline reason why him this bounty killer, why bounty killer and him fall out. And now them said this thing, then basically I make people believe said this is Alkaline's response to the current drama between him and bounty killer. Yes, the one where him go up on bounty killer Instagram, DM bounty killer, tell bounty killer suck him mama.
All out there, is what I'm saying. I see everybody getting heated and hot over it, saying, oh, I'm dissing people, and I never hear everybody talk about how them are diss me. From ever since I found in the industry, killer call out my name. You saw me say, footer style, man. I'm not paying none of them, not mine. You saw me say, I just focus on my music. So why when I step on them, everybody have a problem. Yeah, some people just feel like it is okay for elders to disrespect the youths, but when the youths retaliate, it's a problem. When I play that game there, you saw me say, from your diss me, I got this here. When I cater who you be, or where you fall from your diss me, you go get this. I have a system of my own. And that's all I gotta say in regard.
Yes, people, that is a response that's actually Alkaline attack this so, but that is from the first time him and bounty killer fall out. That is not a recent voice notes. A couple of vloggers do report on it, but they might make it seem as if it's a current thing. No, it's not a current thing. So I have to big up the vloggers them who actually tell the people them say, yo, this voice note is from the first time, the very first time Alkaline and bounty killer fall out. Still, moving on to people. Peeps, Rygin King go link up the DUNCE dogs.
I said I want to name SAP. A New York, me them people. A fireball over here. I make some good cure herbs and some good something for you people, let me tell you. You know? One of them they are deal with right now. Actually they are go voice on dog, you see me?
Dance.
And them know the
Crux
thing.
them. Dance. Grung them.
No, we out here in our place.
Dance.
You see me? My girl them a deal with it.
Madras. Come on, man. See
Wait,
man.
Yeah, dog. You know the thing.
Thing up.
Yeah, dog.
We out here.
You know, put on something like that, man. Father rock chop.
Man.
Oh, listen.
Out here, man. You see me? Fist.
Face, I quote more do that.
Brother, this is staying in the car.
Face.
Up and running. Bumbuckler, New York, you hear that?
Yeah, England I wait for two, baby, me know.
Queen.
And everybody jump out and ready, just let me know.
Get some of my food then.
Yeah, dog. Yeah, dog. Why me I tell her for when my business until not even me here, me not have time for father. You see me people, my girl them a deal with New York me there and more than want to enter me ear them for plot, you see me? Link me up now DM me now or something. Which part? Tell me place to go.
Up. To the fucking job. I beg for the chopping on the name, right? Chop dog. Chop is always up.
In the Brooklyn.
Branks.
Yeah man, me a forward Sunday. Florida people out. Yeah dog. I don't even know what kind of language that, but she say I'm fans. Big up yourself. Can't read the language there. You see me? Big up yourself, said we a general. Chop King! Answer all about this. Alright, I'll cigarette there, sir. Somebody just tell me that a while ago, you know. Big up yourself.
How did you? We're out here.
Wind up your glass then. We're out here, no? Yeah. Pull up.
Yeah. Peace, motherfuckers. Yeah.
This white pins, do you hear me, Dan?
What with it? Okay, sir. Yeah, that. Wicked. See me?
Mother ass. I got them from the ground. You know?
Correct. Energy. See that now?
Full force, you know. Boy, woman.
Stay tuned, my people. You sure you said my place? Lovely said.
Alright, please.
Man, sir, I'm trying
That's
to
okay.
DUNCE. I want to make the artist for the student. Well, the artist is going to have people.
Yeah, that's you're out here, you know?
What do you mean?
Rasta.
Yeah, man.
Come on.
They're in that place, man.
Yo,
You know? See me?
6 is real. 6 is real.
Proud of you too, baby. Big one thing. Yeah, that's studio settings. If you see them out, tell them when you don't know.
Mad dog thing in that. Teamwork like a G-work, man. When I say 6 is real, link up.
Girl, I said think tough.
Yo, tough. Out.
Yo.
Ice and chaser.
Yeah, man.
Rams, what you
You're rushing, me couldn't bring a bitch.
Rise up to the fun, man. I turn on the AC, man. You can't live like this.
Yo, kill him.
Get the fun, yeah, get the fun, man. Yeah, get the fun then, man. Check it. Laugh, it's up. This is the real out here. Yeah, to a brad.
Blackboard.
Yeah, make the people them know, you know. August the 25th. Garage, a place to be. You see me? Check in on Garage, you see me? August the 25th, dance up body sting there in the Bronx. You see me? Yeah, that. There in the Bronx, I know, you know, but me I tell you, you perform time. Don't know we are performing 25th. Garage, a place to be. Yeah, that. Girl, them are going to do it now? No. Yeah, that. Remember me telling you, as me I say. We don't say it already, you know, brother. So we are.
Philly is 24th. Remember that.
Yeah, man, big up people in my film. I forward the 24th. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that feeling.
Yeah.
Don't move silly. We're out here.
Panama City.
Same stage show.
We're out in a couple of days. Soon jump in. See me? No, hey, that girl is not easy. That girl is saying none of your girl them nobody like me. Bumbuckler. Bad girl. Love it to me heart to baby, yeah?
Yeah, dad. I bitch them. It's just mix.
I'm love it to me heart.
Good man, just miss man. Just
We out here.
must be high grade.
Put it on the table, Rasta.
I'm sure this not buzzing.
Yeah.
I want to check out.
Come on, man. Give bad God a 50.
Everybody get a stick.
Like no tear, you know.
Catch it up, fireman.
Sure. I don't know from the weed there. And the henny there. The thugs them there and the voicing tool them there. Work.
Fish office them, man.
Fish in the mouth, tell them in the
Yeah,
know.
with that style, you know the thing. One thing up now.
You got the rhythm and everything?
Oh, is it? Yeah.
Got the beats here. Oh, shit.
My dad, I want to build something.
This is my legacy. Yeah, dog.
Alright.
Where Australia?
Fire.
Fly. Think tough.
Yeah, she's fan chop, you know. Things tough, you know.
Well tough.
I like that.
Hear that?
Come on, one day.
Globally.
Well tough.
Well tough, man.
Big up everybody who proud of me.
Come on, I'm
Don't know.
all of we, man.
Yeah, dog. Them say think tough and them know, you know.
Well tough.
Style wicked.
Yo, you never know tough.
Well.
Them say think tough style tough. Wicked.
Never black. And people want to see him. If him go there and go to skin him alive, they never know that around here.
I'm a whole white plane.
The whole place, don't see him alive.
First time my body come to see him.
I see him around.
Drive past a while ago.
Yeah, like that girl. Come on, squad in this one. I see her in front of the
You get like a chip you want chip on. Walk on. Yes, is that what I think it is? Hey, big up all of my fans them, you see me? Cause them proud of me and I love that too. Cause that we work hard for, you see me? Hard work and accomplishment. I'm proud favor.
Some bad girl, I'm coming.
Tell me our next game.
Keep that bring come.
Yeah, it's about sure.
Yeah, man.
Tipsy and Gina, I'm not. I'm saying, but that's a different mind.
Pick up the one game. Champion. All of me thugs, them which we want me to move if I know. All we need enough money to take care of my friends and my family. Want some business and enough cars.
Yeah, man, I was 25th, man, you know what I think, man.
Go ahead.
Real out here.
Want that girl I go do that for give you a massage. Yeah, da.
One guy, one king.
Yeah, da.
Blackout. It's fun when I say my bad man. I roast him.
Rasta.
Moving on to people. Busy Signal get bedroom surprise. Busy Signal walking in hotel room only if you see this. Well, Obviously, some female out there set out to make Busy Signal have a special night. I don't think I just the hotel people them that got that all out for put a big hotel staff I should say. I'm gonna all out for put that the big art in the middle of the bed, roses spell out Busy Signal and so that more likely come like a female. I say yeah, Busy, I'm gonna make your night special. So Busy, I hope you enjoy your night, you know. I hope you're active throughout the time.
Give us some sweet love on the night shift, later on the night shift.
But people, just before me close off, I wanna know what's going on with Movado son, because from last year say Maga appear in court on July the 27th without to hear nothing more about him. Nothing none at all. We not see no update Movado. Nah give no update pan really a go on. Though the DJ a post on him Instagram page again. Look active and so. You can see same really hurt inside. Of course, he must hurt inside. Him son behind the bars. But I'm saying we not get no update pan that. I've been searching people. I've been searching like crazy. And that is how I come across this guy. We met the post here. Carrie Gully uploaded a photo of him and Movado son with the caption, "Enough love my little family. Hashtag good over evil prayers." So you can see say family and friends of Dante Brooks, them really a feel it. Them a pray for him every single day. Them a pray for him and also him father. And Carrie Gully see him as if him is a family member, as he's also spotted in photos with Movado's daughter, Sky Diamond. But I want to know what is going on with Movado, what is going on with this case. How them not give an update on it. The youth not go back to court again, the youth get bail. What is up? People, believe me, I am searching because I want to know where I'm going for the youth. I want to know if them actually still have him behind the bars, if him there on bail, what's going on. And I'm not going to follow some people and talk about Movado. They are foreign and live comfortable while him son in a jail. You don't know where Movado face. You don't know where I go through right now. Yes, we know them kind of things where my face now, but you don't know how the man take it, how the man really angle it. You may see something on the outside, but that's not what it is on the inside. It is totally different.
Shut on your flame to the fire. It's spraying like your name on a flyer. They wanna tame you.
Bang. Good day people, what go on? How y'all doing? Bless upon the Tuesday here. It is Vibes Tuesday. We're in at the studio with DUNCE, along with yesterday's guest, Tropical Buzz, and the youngster OG. Hot topic of the day out of nowhere. Alkaline this Bounty Killer, but on Alkaline me could know say this Bounty Killer. Bounty Killer me could know say Alkaline this him. After Bounty Killer took it to Instagram to upload a